Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up upsells and cross-sells on Shopify. So this video will have everything you need to know about how you can set up upsells and cross-sells on your Shopify store using the available apps on Shopify. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the Shopify dashboard, and currently we're using a free trial account which expires within 3 days. So usually when you create a free trial account, you only have around 3 days before you need to purchase a plan to extend your Shopify store. So here you can just check out their available plans. Just open the drop box right here and then check out their plans. But again, if you already have a subscription, then this should be no issue to you. So to set up an upsell or a cross-sell on your Shopify store, you're going to need to use a particular app. So for this example, we're going to be using Bold Upsell. So to do this, just head to the app section right here, and then click on all recommended apps. And if you want to open the entire Shopify App Store, just click on this blue link that says Shopify App Store. And here we're just going to be searching for Bold Upsell. So right here, it should be available on the first result. So this is built for Shopify, as you can see, and it has high ratings as well as a lot of downloads, and it's also free to install. So we're going to go ahead and install this. So we just follow the process. Before we get started on this, Bold Upsell is a Shopify app designed to enhance your store's revenue by offering targeted upsell and cross-sell opportunities to customers at strategic points during their shopping experience. So here, this app needs access to view personal data and view and edit store data. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and install. And it should be available on our dashboard right here. We're just going to let this finish loading up. This is basically the process of Bold product upsell integrating with our Shopify store. And here, time to start selling more. Here's how it works. All plans and all features are free for 14 days while you try it out. So on the next screen, you'll be asked to accept a charge. Don't worry, during your 14-day trial, there will be no charge no matter how much you use it. Click below to get started for free. You can check the pricing details right here. But we're going to go ahead and get started for free. All right, so here, approve subscription. You're going to have to set up a credit card or your PayPal. So just choose for a your preferred payment method. And once you set that up, then you'll be able to access Bold Upsell into your Shopify store. So just give me a sec while I configure this. All right, so we're going to be skipping the part where you need to type in or enter your payment details for the Bold Upsell using either PayPal or your credit card. But basically, once you're done setting that up, then you have until you have around 14 days before you're going to be charged for their plan or subscription. But once you have that set up, then you're going to be ready to create an upsell or cross-sell. So to do that, setting up upsell offers involves offering a more expensive version of a product the more customer is already buying, or a similar product that enhances their original purchase. So for example, if you want to create an upsell offer, open Bold Upsell from your Shopify admin panel. So just access the download or installed app after you already subscribed, and then choose the upsell trigger. So this can either be after checkout, which is a post-purchase upsell, or before checkout, which is during the cart or checkout process. So from there, select the product or product category that you want to upsell. You can offer a more expensive version of the product, a bundle with an upgrade, for example, or accessories or complementary products that enhance the original purchase. Next up, set a discount for the upsell, which is optional, making the upsell offer more attractive. And then customize the upsell offer page by editing the text and images and call to action buttons to make the offer enticing and aligned with your brand. And then finally, save and publish the upsell offer. Now, about setting up cross-sell offers, cross-selling encourages customers to purchase complementary or related products based on what they're already buying. So, to create a cross-sell offer, from the Bold Upsell app dashboard, click on Create a Cross-Sell, and then from there, choose the trigger type for the cross-sell offer. Similar to upselling, you can select before checkout or after checkout depending on your preference. And then choose the products you want to cross-sell. Select related or complementary items. So for example, if a customer is buying a camera, suggest a camera case or maybe lens. And then if they're purchasing a t-shirt, so you can suggest a jacket or accessory just to keep the momentum going when it comes to their purchasing. So you can attract customers to buy more of a specific product since the products that you're offering are related to what they're already purchasing. And then you can set discounts or promotions to make the cross-sell items more appealing. For example, 10% off the second item. So you can do these offers to make the offer more enticing. And then you can customize the offer display. Bold Upsell allows you to modify how the cross-sell offer appears on the cart or checkout page. You can also adjust the colors, button text, and layout. Then finally, save and publish the cross-sell offer. So that's how you set up your upsell and cross-sell using Bold Upsell. Now there are also other options to choose from apart from Bold Upsell. So just check out again the App Store right here. We're going to head to Shopify App Store again. We're going to check if these options are still available. So we have frequently bought together. So it seems that this is still available right here. So frequently bought together is also allows you to automatically suggest items that are often bought together, similar to Amazon's frequently bought together feature. However, I'm actually not seeing it right now on the App Store. So it might not be available anymore. Or is it this one? Actually, it's right here. All right, so it's also built for Shopify, as you can see, and it has more downloads than Bold Upsell, so you can also check this out. There is a free plan available. You can also try Reconvert. Let's check out Reconvert. So you have the Reconvert upsell and cross-sell right here. So this one offers post-purchase upsell, cross-sell, and customizable thank you pages. You can also try that out. There's also Cart Hook. Cart Hook upsells right over here. Cart Hook allows you to create one-click upsells after the checkout process and display these offers on a post-purchase page. All right, so it also has a nice rating. Bunch of downloads as well. Not as popular as our first 2 to 3 options, but it still should work similarly. And lastly, we have Honeycart. It's still available here. All right, looks like it's not. So you have the 4 options to choose from. You can either select Bold Upsell, frequently bought together, or Reconvert and Cart Hook. So just check out which one is best suited to your needs or which one looks more pleasing to you. Sometimes it works like that. If something looks more appealing to you, then feel free to choose that and then have it configured on your Shopify store, and then you should be able to create your own upsells and cross-sells. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.